and ask you for tickets. Tugiye kureba uburyo bwo kwishyura no gusaba tike. All right. The first expression is you can say how much is it? How much is the fare? Tike nangahe? Students, how are you? I hope you are good. I welcome you to today's lesson. Today we are going to learn common phrases at bus stop. Dear English learners, I really know that you usually travel by bus. That is why I've come up with the phrases that you need at the bus stop. Which bus goes to Nyabugogo? Which bus goes to Nyabugogo? Niye bisi yerekeye cyangwa se ijya Nyabugogo? Dear friends, welcome to today's lesson. Shuti mukunzi umuyoboro wa YouTube witwa Language Booster TV, ngo ikaze mu isomo ry'uno munsi. Tugiye kurebera hamwe imvugo uzakenera aho utegera imodoka. So ndabizi neza ko umunsi ku munsi utega imodoka ugira ingendo zerekeza mu bice bitandukanye kandi ukenera gutega. Birashoboka rero ko wakenera gutega mu rurimi rw'icyongereza. Tugiye kurebera hamwe imvugo wakoresha hariya utegera imodoka. Turaza kurebera hamwe imvugo zigiye zitandukanye uzakenera aha hantu. Njye ndi mwarimu wanyu Eric Bonani, ngo ikaze mu isomo ry'uno munsi. Nukunda video yacu wibuke gukora subscribe kugira ngo utazacikwa n'andi masomo akurikira. Ukandi like kugira ngo twereke ko wakunze ibyo dukora kandi usangize bagenzi bawe, ukora share kugira ngo twese twigane. Gahunda ni ivuga icyongereza, common phrases at the bus stop. Tugiye kureba hamwe imvugo wakoresha aho utegera imodoka. This is Language Booster TV as usual. All right. Firstly, we are going to see how to ask questions about destination. How to ask destinations. Nuvango tugiye kureba hamwe igice cya mbere, tugiye kureba hamwe interuro n'imvugo wakoresha ubaza icyerekezo bisi yerekejemo. Uri kubaza icyerekezo. Okay. The first phrase is, where is the bus headed? Where is the bus headed? Where is the bus headed? Iyo ubajije kino kibazo ngo where is the bus headed, ubushatse kubaza ati ese bisi iragana. You are asking for destination. Uri kubaza icyerekezo cyaho bisi yerekera. For example, you are at the bus stop and you want to ask where the bus is headed. Uri kushaka kubaza aho imodoka yerekeje. So you will need this question. Uzakenera kino kibazo. Uzabaza uti where is the bus headed? Where is the bus headed? Ese bisi iragana he cyangwa yerekeye he? So the second question you will need to ask about destination. Iki ni kibazo uzakenera uri kubaza icyerekezo cy'imodoka. Ushobora kuba wavuga ngo is the bus going to, ukuzuzaho aho uri kubaza niyo bisi yerekeje. Mwene magambo ese iyi bisi igiye ukuzuzaho aho igiye. Is the bus going to Huye? Is the bus going to Butare? Is the bus going to Musanze? Ese iyi bisi yerekeye i Huye cyangwa se iyi bisi igiye i Huye? Iyi modoka igiye i Huye. Is the bus going to Huye? All right. Those are questions we can use when asking about destination. Ibi ni ibibazo twakoresha turi kubaza amerekezo imodoka yacu yerekeyemo. Ikibazo cya gatatu wakoresha uri kubaza icyerekezo cya bisi, you can say which bus goes to Nyabugogo. Which bus goes to Nyabugogo? Niye bisi yerekeye cyangwa se ijya i Nyabugogo. So you can ask which bus goes to, ukuzuzaho aho uri kubaza niye bisi igera, kuzuzaho aho uri kubaza ushobora kubigera. Alright. So the fourth one is, does this bus stop at Remera? Does this bus stop at Remera? Ese iyi bisi irahagarara i Remera? Ese iyi bisi irahagarara i Remera? Does this bus stop at Remera? Iyi bisi irahagarara i Remera. Alright. You can replace Remera with the place of your choice. Ushobora gusimbuza iri jambo cyangwa se aha hantu hitwa Remera ukasimbuza aho ushaka. Does this bus stop at Muhanga? Does this bus stop at New York? You can complete the question, the sentence with the place where you are asking whether the bus stop there. Ushobora kuzuzaho n'ahantu uri gushaka kumenya niba bisi y'aho hantu ihagera cyangwa se iri buhagarare. Alright. We have been looking on how to ask about destination. So number 2, this is not one. Number 2, we are going to learn how to ask about the time or schedule. Time or schedule. Tugiye kureba imvugo cyangwa se uburyo wabaza igihe na gahunda y'imodoka. Ushaka kumenya igihe imodoka ihagurukira, when the bus arrive, igihe imodoka ziba ziboneka, when the buses are available, uburyo mbese time and schedule, igihe ndetse na gahunda za bisi. Those are the questions you need to ask about. You need also you need to ask about the schedule or the time of the buses. You need also gukoresha igihe uri kubaza igihe ndetse na gahunda ihari, program ya bisi uburyo zigenda, igihe zigendera. Yeah. So you can ask the first question and say, when is the next bus coming? When is the next bus is coming? Imodoka ikurikira iraza ryari? When is the bus stop when is the next bus coming? Imodoka ikurikira iri buza ryari? Iraza ryari? So the second question is, how long will it take? How long will it take? How long will it take? Birafata igihe kingana iki? How long will it take the bus to arrive? Birafata igihe kingana iki imodoka kugira ngo ibigeze hano? Alright. How long will it take? How long will it take? Alright. Dear friends, if you like these lessons, niba ukunze aya masomo yacu and it is your first time to reach this channel, ikaba ari ubwa mbere ugeze kuno muyoboro, please, I encourage you to subscribe. Ndagushishikariza gukora subscribe. Click on bell icon, kanda ku kazogera. Click on all notification, kanda handitse all notification. Then you will have a chance to receive the notification message when there is something uploaded to this channel. Uzajya uhabwa message igihe hari ikintu gishya gishyizwe kuri ino channel. Maybe it can be videos, bishobora ko yaba ari amasomo video, or maybe they can be posts, cyangwa se bikaba ari post wacishijeho. So you can learn English by speaking it. Ushobora kuvuga icyongereza ukivuga right now. Ubu tuvugana, start speaking, tangira uvuge. Don't wait the future time to start speaking. Ntutegereze igihe kizaza gutangira kuvuga. Start try to use these phrases we have learned on the previous one. Gerageza ukoresha izi mvugo tuba twize ndetse n'izabanje in your daily conversation with your friends, mu biganiro ugirana na bagenzi bawe umunsi ku munsi. Alright, so I would like to inform you that neshejwe kandi no kukumenyesha ko if you want to learn Swahili, niba ushaka kwiga Igiswahili, if you want to speak Swahili very soon, niba ushaka kuvuga Igiswahili mu gihe gitoya, visit our channel called KTV, Kivuge TV. Sura umuyoboro wacu mushya witwa Kivuge TV cyangwa se KTV mu mpine. You will access to learning videos, to Swahili learning videos. Uzabasha kugera ku masomo akwigisha Igiswahili. You can speak Swahili very soon. Ushobora gutangira kuvuga Igiswahili nawe mu gihe gitoya. So visit KTV, visit Kivuge TV. It is our new channel where we will learn Swahili. Ni channel yacu nshya tuzatwigiraho Igiswahili. We have also we mixed recently we mixed videos Kinyarwanda, Kiswahili, English. We mixed those languages, but we have decided to separate each language on its own channel. Mu minsi ishize twavangaga aya masomo y'Igiswahili, Icyongereza n'Ikinyarwanda, ariko uyu munsi twanzuye yuko dutandukanya izo ndimi zombi, buri rurimi rukagira channel yarwo kugira ngo biborohereze kugera ku masomo bitewe n'ibyo mukunda. So visit our channel so that you can learn the language of your preference. Sura umuyoboro wacu kugira ngo ubashe kwiga ururimi wowe ubwawe ushaka wihitiyemo. Alright, let us continue. We are still talking about asking time and schedule. Number 3, you can say, is it leaving now? Is it leaving now? Ese igiye guhaguruka ubu? Is it leaving now? Is the bus leaving now? Ese bisi igiye guhaguruka ubu? Alright, iri kugenda. Sometimes hari ukuntu ugera muri gare ushaka gufata bisi yihuta, kabaza ashinzwe kwinjiza, kabaza ati ese iyi bisi irahita igenda? Is it leaving now? Is it leaving now? Irahita igenda? So the question number 4 you can ask is, what time will it arrive? What time will it arrive? Ese irahagera ryari? What time will it arrive? Irahagera ryari? Alright. Number 3, we are going to learn how to pay and ask for tickets. Tugiye kureba uburyo bwo kwishyura no gusaba tike. Alright. The first expression is, you can say, how much is it? How much is the fare? Tike nangahe? How much is the fare? Tike nangahe? Fare, tike. Alright. Amafaranga wishyura urugendo. Right. Secondly, you can say, where is the Momo code pay? Where is the Momo pay code? Ese code ya mobile money nishyuriraho iri hehe? Where is the Momo pay code? Alright. Number 3, you can ask, do I pay now? Do I pay now or in the bus? Ese nishyura kakanya cyangwa ndishyurira mu modoka? Do I pay now or in the bus? Nishyura kakanya cyangwa ndishyurira mu modoka? Alright. Try to apply these phrases in your daily conversation. Gerageza nawe ukoresha zino mvugo mu biganiro ugirana na bagenzi bawe umunsi ku wundi. Right. Here is money. Here is money ni ngombwa ngo dore amafaranga, akira amafaranga. Here is money. Akira amafaranga. I don't have a chance. I don't have change. Someone may say, I don't have chance. I don't have change. Ntabyo mfite kugarura. Ntayo kugarura mfite. I don't have chance. Alright. So number 4, you can say other useful phrases. Izindi mvugo z'ingenzi zakenera. Number 1, I will wait for the next bus. Utavuga ati ndategereza imodoka ikurikira, ntabwo ngenda niyi. I will wait for the next bus. Alright. Number 2, you can say, is there any seat? Ese harimo umwanya? You enter in the bus and you are asking the passengers, other passengers, winjiye mu modoka uri kubaza abandi bagenzi babase, is there any seat? Harimo umwanya, harimo icyicaro. Alright, please stop here. Uri kugenda ukeneye yuko baguhagarika aho ngaho ushaka kuvamo. You can knock at the door or at the window and say, please stop here. Muhagarike, nyabona hagarara, muhagarare hano. Thank you driver. Ushobora gushimira shoferi igihe rwose usohotse mu modoka ukamushimira ati thank you driver. Alright, dear friends, as we end our lesson, dusoza isomo ryacu, I also remind you that ndongera kukwibutsa ko you have to apply these phrases now. Speak with confidence. Gerageza utangire gukoresha izi mvugo mu kiganiro ugirana na bagenzi bawe. Ugomba kuvuga kandi wifitiye icyizere mu byo uvuga. Speak with confidence. Thank you very much, dear students. Ndagushimiye dear students, ndabashimiye nshuti banyeshuri. Thank you for watching this lesson. Ngushimiye kuba witegereje kandi ugakurikira isomo. We have been learning the basic phrases we need at the bus stop. Turi kureba imvugo uzakenera kuri bus aho utegera bus. So if you like this video, I hope you have clicked on like, you have shared, and you have subscribed if it is your first time. Niba bwo bwa mbere ugeze kuri nomero ndatekereza wakoze subscribe, wakoze like, wakoze share, and you are going to write in a comment which one you like more. Nirihe phrase wakunze cyane. Alright, you can write motivative messages. Ushobora kwandika n'ubutumwa budukomeza buduha imbaraga ukatubwira ati keep up. Alright, don't forget to comment. Ntibibagirwe gukora comment kwereka yuko wakunze ibyo tugukorera. See you next time. Tuzasubira ubutaha. I love you so much. Ndabagukunda cyane. I'm your teacher Alec Bunani. Ni mwalimu wawe Eric Bunani, and this is Language Booster TV. Uyu ni umuyoboro witwa Language Booster TV, the YouTube channel which helps you to learn English very soon, to learn to speak English very soon and confidently. Umuyoboro kwigisha kuvuga icyongereza mu gihe gito kandi mu buryo rwose nawe ukivuga nk'umuntu wifitiye icyizere. See you next time. Bye bye. I love you so much.